Hello, welcome back to Pedal Savings. If you are new here, my name is Rosie. I am a cash budgeter that uses the cash envelope method to budget her finances and her savings to save for her future. So today we will be cash stuffing. So let's pull out our paper for that. Set aside this binder. I forgot to write the totals that I'm supposed to be saving. 1 second while I do that. What's today? The 13th. You're stuffing 154. So I know all of these have 0. January number 1, January number 2. So this one had 10, 0, 2, 2. Okay, spending and eating out had 0, 60, 20, buffer 10, wedding, everything had 0, except for Elizabeth. Okay. So, okay, let's see how much we saved last week from our wallet. Okay. Oh, also I forgot. I did change the envelope inserts in my wallet to match my high priority savings. I think I find it cute. Okay, so spending last week had 23. I kept that in my bank because I know I was buying things online that week, so I didn't pull out that money. Eating out had 10. It has 0. Groceries had 70. It has 0. Gas had 25. It has 0. Buffer had 10. Now it has, yeah. Now it has 5, 6, 7, 8. So these $8 will be going into our savings. So let's bring this here. Okay. Actually, let's keep this here. And then let's count the money we will be saving today. Can you guys see this? Yeah, okay. So 20, 40, 60, 81. I did already spend $20 for gas. So that's why it will be $20 short. So 20, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Plus the 20 that I spent on gas already. Okay. So spending is gonna get zeros. Just gonna put zeros for everything that isn't getting filled up today. Oh wait, maternity leave has 45 in it, right? Oh, yeah, okay. Okay, so spending 0, eating out, 0 groceries, 60, 20, 10. Groceries get 60, 20, 40, 60. Gas doesn't get anything since I spent it. Buffer 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's it for my wallet. Then let's go into this binder and fill up Elizabeth's. So Elizabeth gets 50. So let's put in 1/13, 50. So now she has 100. Okay, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. Then let's fill this in. Okay. So that has 100. Okay, so that's it for this binder. Now my savings challenges. 2026. I'm doing 10 plus 5 and 6 for the 16. So gonna cross out. I'll put 16, cross out that. Yeah. So now my 2026 savings has 10, 20, 25, 26. Then let's fill out the tracker. Okay, then, oh, let's put this back before I forget to. Okay, then let's do my Winter Wonderland savings. It's getting 2. I'm just gonna keep it at 2. Yeah. Okay. Let's get a marker for it. Okay, so now this challenge has 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, my second January savings. Just gonna keep the 2 as well. Okay, let's color these mittens. Okay. So now this challenge has $4. Okay, so then let's put these last $2 in the $1 savings. So now the $1 savings has $3. Okay, that's it. Yep. So that's going to be it for this video. I will see you guys next week for my January week 3 cash planning video. Bye.